Good afternoon and welcome to Wenches with Wrenches. Very practical episode this time. Who's ever gone to turn on their car and it doesn't go? You're like, what I do? So happened this morning. Of course, I'm trying to get somewhere, right? And it wasn't making that click click sound that you get when it's the dead battery. I didn't think I had left anything on, but you never know. Anyway, it was making a whirring sound. So I looked it up, and the best guess that I saw was that there was corrosion on the battery terminals. So I've dealt with this before. It was years ago, and uh, I didn't have any. I called. I was like, "Hey, what do I do? Use a metal brush, or one of those wire brushes." I didn't have one of those. I was in the Shopco parking lot. I had three kids and a frisbee worked. Just banged it on the battery terminals. It worked. But I actually have this little doohickey thing here. It's from Harbor Freight. Somebody gave it to me, and there's special ways to use it, I'm sure. But it worked. So I'm just going to show you on the battery real quick. So we're going over to the battery. So, like I said, you probably don't need one of these little tools, but it was handy. So anyway, let's flip that around. All right, so there's a battery, and you can see, let's see here, those terminals look pretty good. This terminal did not. Car's hot right now, so I'm not gonna do it, but basically the thing is if there's corrosion, bang this down now, if there's corrosion, it will inhibit the circuit, and you need a circuit to make your car go. Anyway, it worked. Let's just be happy about that. Y'all take care. Be safe.